Good morning, beautiful people. So, guess what? We have a tuna and grits today. What is day? Today is day number 4, guys. Day number 4. Day number 4. Annie almost finished with hers. I'm about to start before mine go cold. I don't like cold grits. So, just peeping in there so y'all can see my breakfast this morning. Our breakfast. Yes. Everybody, today's boat day, y'all. We're going on a boat. Okay. Winding Bay. This view is amazing from here. Lovely. This is the veranda. So we're about to go on the boat. This is day number 4, y'all. So we are right here waiting for the boat to come so we can go on the boat today. Today is sea day. It's the beach day, y'all. So we're about to have us a grand time. We're going to Winding Bay. Winding Bay. And so we're still here up from the house, overlooking the sea. We have sea to go to, but it's clear up right now, which is cool. No seaweeds today. So yes, so y'all will enjoy some of the view with us on Winding Bay as we are on the boat, and when we reach there, we're gonna have a great time, y'all. Okay, I hope y'all are enjoying these days with us on vacation. So seeing you guys to the end, and I got my hat, y'all, ready to go. Put it down. Yeah, so keep the sun away, y'all. Yeah, so we'll see y'all out there later. What you say?
So I can clean this.
So you can do what?
So I can clean this. Come on. Hey.
How about this? Try and get some cool. He said, oh yes. Oh, y'all look like fish. Like mermaids. Let's check it. Fine. Thank you, J. That's MJ. Where KJ? Oh, on the bar. Oh. I'm trying to figure out. He don't have no thing, so would he catch it? I think that's probably there. Oh, just swimming. Probably just looking and enjoying it. Oh, under the boat. That's the hook. Parrot fishing. It's a parrot fishing. I could swim. Go to the shop. Put that clothes on the tree. Right. So we reached the winding rail, y'all. And the water is beautiful. If I didn't want to go in, I gotta go in. It's beautiful, y'all.
Hey,
Stand there and there.
come here.
Y'all need to come help lift the loads.
Not as hot though. have to wait for it to cool down a little bit.
Make nice one, Granny. Oh, Johnny.
Yes, ma'am. We got everything going on here, but this view is beautiful. So y'all see, you know, Sandy Shores give y'all a hookup boat ride to Wine Bay too, y'all, if y'all want a picnic day. Picnic day. Alright. We done anchor up. That view is beautiful. So yeah, it's beautiful. We are setting up our picnic spot now.
Take that off me. There's an
Yay! Day number 4, y'all. So we setting up our little grill. Hot dogs, hamburgers. What else? Hot dogs and hamburgers.
and
Fried fish.
what do you call it?
Conch fritters. So we have our conch fritters.
Cooper.
Cooper. Fish. Turbot. Crawfish. What we doing the crawfish?
Everything.
We'll grill the crawfish. We're gonna do grilled crawfish. So today is picnic day, y'all. Today is picnic day. Picnic day. And we just setting up everything. What? This will be our little spot. That's for hot dog. So we'll boil our hot dog in there.
Oh.
See her yakking. See her yakking right here. Alright, so our fire set pot on. And we are doing hot dogs, hamburgers. We're gonna have Annie says she's gonna do a crawfish. We're gonna do conch fritters. We're gonna do some fish. Listen, we got the whole works, y'all. So listen, this is real picnic. It's our picnic day. Thursday, picnic day. Out on Winding Beach. Hey. Winding Bay Beach. We have a lot of mouth to feed, so we got a lot of boys there. So you know how that is. Eat a lot. That is so good. Look at that. Pretty. This is a fish that they just caught, y'all. They just caught this while we was on our way here. So we got fish, y'all. Oh.
Can't get back up here now. You know I can't get back up here now. Bless the Lord for to have a good time. I really have to work.
As the sun is hot out here, they're calling me in the water. It's hot.
Let's go, mommy. Let's go. No food.
Hot, man. Water feels good though. It's cold for me. Looks good. Looks good. Looks amazing. So, woo! Water cold, man. You want to take a swim?
If you don't give me this food to go, let me put that back. You better bring it back inside this water.
Man, it's hot. I'm gonna take a cool one. So we had a shark came in the water and chased us out. See him there banking around. I don't know if you can see him banking around up there. See the shark. See the shark? It's coming in. It's coming in. He's coming in. So he chases out the water. Coming in. He's coming in. She's trying to call him in. and chase us out of all good water. See him right up there. Right up there swimming around. Oh, the sun is hot. He can come closer. See, coming in? He's coming in now.
He will come close.
Shark is just circling around. So we cannot go in that water right now. I don't know what he's smelling. Food, meat, something. I see those that coming in the boat. Shark gone out now. He went back out.
He's coming right back.
They still diving. No, let him go there. He's going out there.
The boat is coming back. Our boat is coming back in. Yeah, they're coming in right now. Probably hungry, looking for food. Yeah, but the shark went out, so for our little shade and our little setup, food, our little tent, our towels. You know, I have a burger right now. What is this fish?
It's them fish where they catch on the boat. I know it. I think they might be them pie fishing thing.
Taste it, Nita. No, just taste a little piece. Taste the salt of this. We'll wash it off there. How you gonna wash them off? Salt and salt water. What's wrong? Salt back? You need to throw the...
What?
That tastes seasoned to you?
Right season for me.
The shark came back.
He came back? Where is he?
So it looked like he's dead.
I tell you, he ain't going nowhere. Got on a nice bathing suit panty.
He came up very close to the shore. Let's see if they catch that. They see that. They see that. So they going to catch that shark. They going to catch that shark. Y'all catch that shark. Water clear enough for them to catch it. It is over. Actually, the beach. Shark came and ran us out the water.
We got some. Oh!
Stop it.
I'm good.
Keep going.
Fish on the line. Fish on the line. She reeling. She reeling.
Around there, baby.
Which way?
Zip on.
Oh yeah. Alright.
You gotta get
Fish
over
on the
this
line. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on.
thing. Let's go.
She reeling. She reeling. She reeling. She reeling. Oh my God. Woo! There it is.
Tika, let me right there.
That's another. That's a catch. It's a berry. cannot. That's a rocket. They said the goats must be up in there, up around the railing. It's crime down. Get it. It's another catch. Hope it's not another Barry. Pull, girl. There's another Barry. We in the Barry zone. Eh?
All right, good. Okay.
Whoa, another Barry. We in the Barry zone. Yeah, see that. That is one of the big houses that I'm gonna deal with. Just take care of those houses. One of the big houses. This is some fish we caught when we went to Wine Bay today. Yes. All of us were together. We caught it. So now we having it for dinner.